Morning. Good morning, everyone. Hi. Hey. Ooh. What's up? This weekend we got some bombs from the US to the Middle East. So I was expecting like high volatility for the whole week. And well, obviously we got a huge gap down here today when market opened. So we got a huge annual new week opening gap. Yeah, morning everyone. And yes, today we got a giveaway from Tradeify. I just woke up about an hour ago. So, do you have any other breaking news that I missed? Other than the bombs, do you have any other breaking news? So today we got a high impact news at 9:45 Eastern Time, PMI, which is PMI. And oh, at 3 a.m. today, 3 a.m. Eastern Time, which is London session, we got a FOMC member gonna talk, not power, but another FOMC member. So we gonna keep an eye on that, which is because it's happened during London session. We're gonna take a look on high time thing first. I don't know if I'm gonna take a trade because actually everything's alright. The spread is okay too. So if there's a 8% up, then I'll take it. It's not like I have to take a trade since we got so many geopolitical issues happening. Alright, so this gap down, sweep some liquidity. Oh no. That was the previous day. Previous day candle sweep this equal low, retrace back and gap down. So okay, the liquidity void. I think we'll first fill the whole liquidity void first. So we're inside to envelope. We got some buy side liquidity here. But for this range, we are now in premium for this range. Is day traders a trustworthy platform? I'm now using it. So I just started. So I'll tell you when I got a payout. And so far everything's great because they got Project X platform. So that's the reason I want to try it. And they don't have daily loss limit on the eval. So right now everything's okay, but if there's any issues, I'll also tell you. So if you have any concern, you can just wait a bit and see if I get any good feedback from them. My whole chart is purple right now because that's the annual. I use purple with my annual, and we got 2 annual overlap. So the whole chart is annual. Take a look with the vote. Bias for London session, 65% is bullish, 21% is bearish, and 14% neutral. So most of you are bullish today. Same here, but it's hard to find a setup right now because we're already moving. We're moving, around like at 1 a.m. Eastern time. We start to spike up. What is the annual indicator you use? This one. I don't know what's the name. Is that? There's so many. I already forgot which one is that. I tried so many annual indicator, and this is the one that I like the most. From which platforms you got at least one payout? What do you mean? And last time for the Apex giveaway, we set a goal, right? We got 100 likes to start the giveaway, and today we're gonna have a little bit more. Let's try if we can do that. Oh. All right. Oh yeah, today I gotta trade the Tradeify account. I almost forget about that. Okay, let me set it up first. Because I was using the Apex account, so I need to change that. So what's today's tap pen? Right now I think price gonna fill the whole liquidity void first. But if we want to long, we gotta find a good setup to do so. This range is good too. We'll see. More expensive than Tradeify. Well, actually, like for other platforms, which is not the main top 3 platforms, we use them because we already got maximum account in those platforms like Tradeify, TPT, and Apex. We already got maximum accounts. That's why we have to try others so we can increase our capital. So don't tell me like, oh, it's expensive than the one that I'm using. Of course, I mean, if you want to increase your capital, you're gonna spend more money. That's so obvious. And we're not gonna choose like, I want to choose like the one of them, not like that. We're gonna try like 4 of them or 5 of them. That's how we expand our capital. How are we gonna leverage the platform? All right. So okay. Yes, I'm still trading with TPT, but like the customer support really slow. Like we missed this move. This move is the credit sweep. Displacement with speak. You can see this wick. And then I think we will have some entry point in 15 seconds. Yeah, exactly. 15 seconds. IFVG. And we encode it here. But right now, honestly, it's hard for me to find a long setup right now here. Because we move a lot. Are you in any positions? Not yet. I just start, Yes, TPT and Tradeify are the fastest payout in the industry, in the whole industry. Will you trade all your platforms account together? No. In London session, I only trade like those with consistency rules, so it's Tradeify and Apex. And for those don't have consistency rule like TPT and TopStep, I'll trade them during New York session. But honestly, I'm not gonna trade TopStep anymore. I don't like them. I just fucking hate them. Did anyone take any trades yet for Asia session? that answers appear again because top step ban Hong Kong players. It's not the case. Well, of course, this part. I mean, they banned Hong Kong players. Of course, create some hate indeed, but that's not the main point. You can ask other traders if that's what you're thinking about. I'm still trading with them, so that's not the case. And I already explained it so many times. If you love them so much, then keep using them. All right, I'm not gonna like say no, don't do that. I'm not gonna control you. You do whatever you like. But whatever happens, you're gonna take responsibility for your own actions. Right now, well, honestly, like for most of the time, if I see a Asian range like that and we move that much, like we in premium. Sorry for that. And usually in this situation, I would like to short, but like since we got this huge gap here, I'm probably not smart to take a short position. I'm in a dilemma right now. I mean, like when I look at the chart, like earlier today, we're in here, right? So obviously, I'm gonna want to long with this huge gap, but right now, that's a different case. The CEO of Tradeify is long right now, but they're not like entering the position here, right? They already hold that position from market open. So of course there's no problem with that. But if I enter here, there's high probability for price to retrace. And I'm not gonna set my stop loss like 100 points, right? If you set your stop loss like 15 to 20 points and price retrace, you lose all the money for that position. So it's not ideal to long right here. I'm waiting 3 a.m. because we got a news at 3 a.m., right? The FOMC member gonna speak at 3. So we'll see what gonna change the price or market condition. How was your weekend? It wasn't nice. I mean, it's raining. It was raining all weekend. But I did take some rest, so midnight. I already forgot that. Okay, let's see. Midnight opening price here. For long mode situation, for my like approach, usual approach, I would like to short to midnight opening price and also this sell side liquidity. Like for my long mode approach for London session, but like today's a bit different. Like we got a gap on our left side, right? And after the market open, we didn't even see any bearish move. This one may be the only larger bearish move after market open. It's all bullish move. So I'm not sure if it's really good to short right now. Like it's counter trend. Morning. US short right now. Target Asia high. So it's here. Okay, good luck. Yeah, the giveaway, Tradeify giveaway is for growth account. So it's a end of day drawdown account. And for those who are not really familiar with the account rules, you can take a look on the resources section, Tradeify, which I post both English and Cantonese version about the rules from different accounts. How to participate? I didn't start yet. Okay, we need 150 likes to start the giveaway. I'm not asking too much, right? I think we can do it. We can definitely do that. The price going down right now. I want to be cautious today because we don't get some war situation every day. It's kind of like a once in a lifetime thing. And if we get a huge news like that, I don't think we should just trade like the normal. There's gotta be a different approach for something special, right? But like 60% of you vote for bullish, and then you guys tell me to short. I mean, I know for this range we're in premium. We should short if we just base on price session. But today is different, right? Jack! Oh, Mr. Jack is here. No, I didn't even start yet, the giveaway. We need 115 likes. Wait, where is that? Okay. We'll see if price really go back to midnight opening price. Then we'll know if this key level is like really acting like a magnet. But the thing, I mean, isn't the war thing solved? The whole issues is still ongoing. Everyone in the family is sick. Why Jack's family always sick? Take care. Seriously, take care. Get well soon. Do we get SMT? I don't think so. No, it's not SMT. NQ Diromo. Right now we create some liquidity here. You know, if I want to take a loan, I want price with this liquidity first, this week. But when price with this week, it means it means already down a lot. So, but we'll see. Let me check. Do we have any news for the war? But yeah, the US is sleeping, so I don't think we got any breaking news during the session. Well, if I can find any setup that I think is worth to risk a position, then maybe it's a tape reading day. Who knows? I'm not gonna force anything today. Just like that's a special case. I mean, I think about that. Should I cancel the stream or delay the stream to like tomorrow, or or something like that? But we gonna watch the chat no matter what happen, isn't it? So, are you guys safe? Do you have any audience? Anyone from the Middle East in the chat? At least it's a giveaway. Yeah. You want me to use dark mode? Why? I don't like that. Alright. 14 pounds. Let me see. Man. I want long right now. Shit. £14 right now. If I put my stop loss here. Right. Oh, it's gonna be like a 1-to-1. Oh don't like 1-to-1. Look at the chart. I'm now looking at the 15-second chart on my screen, and yeah, I want to see if it's a decent entry point. So it's a 1-to-2. I mean, I think price gonna go up and fill the whole gap, but like for the safest option is gonna be TP right here. But if I TP right here, it's not like 1-to-2, probably 1 to 1.5. I really don't like 1 to 1.5. That's like, my God, that's like, it's not even 20 points. No, no, no. I like 1-to-2. If Trump tweets, it can go down. Yeah, of course. I mean, that's the risk I'm gonna take, right? It's like 12 points. So if it's a loss, then it's a loss. I mean, it's like a calculated risk. Because I want to take at least one trade. The risk reward sucks. Honestly, the risk reward sucks. If he press but any button, it can go down. Yeah, of course, of course. No, it's probably not working out. You can see how price like turn into the opposite direction. I don't have to take any winning trades because like this is like the real trading stuff here. If I only show you winning trades, it looks fake. But I think I messed up the trade copy. Let me see. Fuck is that? Now we just wait. Wait if price gonna hit my stop loss or not. It's just like a normal trading situation. When you get a standard stop loss, you don't have to be afraid of any price action. Like price turn into a opposite direction, you're not gonna be afraid or like nervous or anything, because you know if you lose this trade, how much money, how exact is the dollars amount you're gonna lose. Shouldn't have to be nervous or anxious about that. Looks like daily range is set already. What's your thought, Jack? Did you take any trades? I'm not gonna close before the price hit my stop loss. Like I won't close earlier, because that's the amount that I can accept to lose. So I just wait for it to move. Wait for the price action to move. I'm not gonna do anything with that. I didn't catch the best entry point for this trade. I admit that, because I was like a bit hesitant. I can't make up my mind at that time. What's the procedure for giveaway? First, we need to get 150 likes. Do we get that? Jack said he's bearish. Oh my god. Jack. Then I'm screwed, right? If you're bearish, you're the market maker. If you're in the opposite bias with me, then I'm screwed. You know what? I think I just aim the high. So we got a little bit better risk reward ratio with that. So it's a 1.7 risk reward ratio right now. Not good. Not good. I didn't have any position on Bitcoin. You won half of the time. Same here. I don't have high win rate too. Why buy here? Because of the higher time frame analysis and price this with some liquidity, and also we got a IFBG. So I wanna try a small scalping. You know what? Although I said I don't want to force any trade, but every time when I'm live streaming, I am forcing some trades. I'm just gonna act like that because I'm live streaming. I want to hold myself, but it's hard. It's hard. I can just talk all day, like right. I mean, all day long, I'm just talk for the 2 hours and do nothing. I can't do like that, right? Yeah, normally I stick with the 2 to 1. What's the procedure for a giveaway? So I will start a giveaway later, and when I start it, you just have to type Tradeify in the chat. But not right now. I didn't start it yet. I'm gonna wait to see how this move is gonna move to my TP or stop loss, and after that, I'm gonna start it. Let me take a look on ES. Okay, still the same. So we can see price with this buy side equity and dip into this volume imbalance. This 1 minute volume imbalance. Sorry. Well, okay. And also here we got a 1 minute BC. So we see if price we add with this one. If not, then we're gonna hit my stop loss. So here is a bullish order block and also a bullish FVG. And if this one can hold, that means price is not going to my direction. I was hoping the 3 a.m. move gonna bring me to the TP. But we still got 15 minutes. Yeah, that's the best situation, sit and watch. Do you use Project X to trade day traders? Yes. I only use them because they got a Project X, like, I think a few 2 weeks before. They started to offer Project X platform. That's why I want to try them. And this one is the Tradeify funder account. So I think now you can understand why I took this trade, right? Because I have to trade with Tradeify account in this room. Hello，中文 OK 啊，中文可以講中文。They get rhythmic. So if you use NinjaTrader, you can collect rhythmic into your NinjaTrader. I just personally I don't like rhythmic. Can you please try to open Tradeify website on your side? Mine is having problem. They are having a maintenance. They're updating their website right now, so no one can get inside Tradeify right now. You gotta wait. I think they will be alright in New York session. But they like announced it few days before, so it's not like something suddenly happened. It's a schedule maintenance. They're doing rebranding, as I know. Apex doesn't pay unless you are an influencer. But that guy who got 2.4 million payout with one single payout is still an influencer, isn't it? Tell me, when did he become an influencer? No, that's not the case. No, Kane is like 1 point something, 1.8. I don't remember that. But 2.4 is another one. I think it's a Southeast Asian. JCap is 2.5 million. That's the they got free trader got over a million payout. So I'm not talking about Trader King or JCap. Guys really don't read the news, right? please take a look on Twitter if you don't know anything about Apex or payout, something like that. See, no one's know that guy. All you know is Trader King and JCap. That's mean. That's already proving that guy is not a trading influencer. If he is a trading influencer, you know them, right? You know him, but you no one knows him. That's already a proof. Bro, price moves so slow. I don't even want to in this trade right now. Like I think we got like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. We're still here. I'm not talking about JCap. You guys still say. No, I don't think so. I mean, like, can I make a million in like a single payout? I don't think so. I mean, like, it's hard to hold position with large floating profit. And also, if I get like over a million in my account, I don't feel secure. I don't want to trade this account. I'll definitely want to take out part of it and continue trading. It's just so stressful with like over $1 million in your account. How much am I gonna make with this? I think less than 1,000, right? Oh, that's shit. I don't like that. Just a few hundred. But you know, win is a win. Took him like 30 days to get result or something. But he did receive those 2.4 million, is it? That's real money. The procedure is gonna be suck. I know that. But if he got the money, then he's rich lah. We don't have W yet. We still. Oh! We have it. We have it. We just have it. Okay, finally. Oh. Okay. All right, not bad. Not much, but still W. Still W. I know. The risk reward sucks. I know it's not the perfect entry point. I know it, but that's what I have to do, right? I have to trade with Tradeify account, so I need to find setup and trade, and I did it. Guys, chat. We need something. We need more. We need more W in the chat. Not enough. We're not enough. That's a hard trade. Fuck. I mean, fuck that. I need to entry on that point. And with that's 1.7 risk reward ratio. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you, chat. W is a W, no matter what, right? Well, but be honest, that's not the best trade. That's not the best condition we got. But I try my best. Keep going. Keep going. W, yes. Full part on a shot. And it's not even 3 a.m. Okay, now we can okay. Try to start the giveaway, right? So it's not Apex, I'm gonna change it. Apex was the last time. So to enter, we will do it one by one. So we are now just choosing one and see how's the procedure is going. Oh, sorry. So no. I closed. No. Sorry, guys. Sorry. It shouldn't be starting yet. I'm sorry about that. Okay. Yes. No, nothing's. So we'll pick the first winner of the giveaway. Type Tradeify in the chat so you can enter this giveaway. I'll see price. There's something happen. I can see it. Okay. Or if you type Tradeify in the chat, your name should be inside this list. So I will start the giveaway in 56. So you got 30 seconds. We're about to hit 200 likes. See, we can do that. See, we allow 198 likes. That was good. Okay, so it's 56 right now. We start the first. We're about to choose the first winner of this giveaway. Let's see who's gonna win. Okay. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but please type something in the chat to claim the prize. Why is this Spanish today? Why is this thing Spanish today? Someone read this thing. Okay. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait until 3 a.m. Then we will start to show the second one because the FOMC member gonna speak at 3 a.m. So I want to see if something special gonna happen. So I think I did a good choice to close my position here because if I just use the long mode TP, which is 24 pawns, price won't hit it and retrace to my entry point because if it's 24 pawns, it's gonna be 37.75 should be my final TP. But I change it today because I didn't get in with the most ideal entry point. Honestly, the most ideal will be this one. This one should be my entry point. So this here, when the candle body close, I should be entry here, but like I enter in here, something like that. That was sucks because I hesitate. But if I trade with the model, I should be entering here. And you can see when price retrace, it retrace back to the same PD area, right? So that was the key level we should enter if we trade with the turtle soup model. But which I didn't today. I didn't do it today. That sucks. So it's 3 a.m. right now. Do we have anything? When is PDF coming for it? It should be done. We are going to add some charts, add some graphics to explain it. I'm kind of a deadline fighter, so it's the lab trade ICT model, yes. So we're about to start another giveaway. So now it's 178 participants. That means some of you didn't enter it yet. So if you didn't get your name on the list, type Tradeify in the chat so you can join the giveaway. And we now start the second winner. Peter Green. Peter Green, congratulations. Type something in the chat to claim the prize. You gotta do it within 1 minute. If not, alright, okay, you claim it. So, that's good. We already have 2 winners for this giveaway. That's two account left. We'll wait a little bit, you know. Guys, don't spam the chat. you only need to type Tradeify once. Did anyone took that tray? Oh, only me? Did anyone took the same tray with me? Yes, yes. That's great. Okay, that's good. And I once again show that 12 pound stop loss is achievable, especially during London session. I know, like, when market open at 9:30, price gonna be a little bit more volatile. 12 pounds gonna be hard, but like after market open a while, 12 pounds is still okay with that, or sometimes 15 pounds. Someone may long like here or during Asia session, or if I entry here, I probably won't close the position right now. I'm gonna wait because I got a lot of buffer, right? I'm gonna wait until the gap close if I long during an Asia session. And for those who just joined the lab, we got a onboarding live stream today at I think 12 p.m. around 12 p.m. So for those who don't know, like, how everything's going on inside the lab, like which mentor should I watch, which live stream should I watch, where should I go if I want some education, please join that onboarding live stream so you'll know everything. If you are new join members from inside the lab. ICT student is scam. How is it? Or why do you say that? Yes, the lab will change your life. That's huge. That's huge. That statement is huge. Okay, I want to show you what's the lab schedule for this week. So because people don't really understand how everything's going on inside, so I gotta explain it a little bit. So that is the stream schedule for the lab, and we got different live streamer and educators streaming like London session. Not only me, we also Juno is streaming London session, and we got PM session, AM session, everything, and also we got crypto live stream. So the onboarding stream gonna be 12:30 p.m. today, and yeah, we also got backtesting session during weekend. Everything you need. That is just a stream schedule. inside the Discord community, we will keep on different education. Where are the Hong Kong traders? Come on, win this giveaway, Hong Kong traders. How much for the lab per month? I think it's $100. If you join with quarterly plan or yearly plan, that's gonna be discount. And also if you use code Candy, CANDY, you will get extra 10% off for the package, for the membership, if you're a new user. I didn't expect I finished that trade that soon. It usually took me like half hour. You join and use my code. Thank you. Okay. So now you're the lab member. Welcome. Joining the lab will be one of the best decisions you will ever do. That is from the lab member. See, it's not like me talking about something like that. It's the members talking. When will be the next? I think 30 seconds later. After 30 seconds, we'll start another giveaway. Joining the lab makes your marriage crazy. What the shit? Keep going. Keep going. Jack, where is Jack? Jack is bearish, Jack. This time I'm right. I want to see will price really hit this gap, like the whole here. This is the end of the M1, and also if price hit this level, that means it closes a whole liquidity void. The CEO was right long to the gap. I mean, everyone knows you need to long to the gap. I mean, just depends on where is your entry point. If I entry and market open, I'm not gonna move anything. I'm not gonna do anything. Just wait until price hit that point. But I'm not, right? Okay, we're gonna do another giveaway right now. Don't wanna let you guys wait too long. So we're gonna choose the winner of this giveaway right now. Okay, goodness. Well, I don't know how to pronounce it. Congratulations, goodness. Please type something in the chat to claim your prize within a minute. If you fail to do so, you can get this win. You can get this prize. Not here. 30-second left. He's here, right? I saw him. You gotta type something in the chat. Okay, so we got last one left. Wait a bit. Oh, about to hit. Just step out to get water. Okay, about to hit. And once again, for those who win, that's how to claim a prize. I think only 2 pounds. 2 pounds to... Wow. There's only 2 pounds left. I'm not even peeping half an hour. That's crazy. Why is this suddenly slow down? Come on. Come on, thank you. Hit that level. Really? Let me take a look. Okay. Oh, yes, fill the whole gap. But I think we can still fill it. It's just 2 pounds. I know. Just wait a moment. See. News? What news? You mean the FOMC member talking? Or any other thing? Any other breaking news? If you're going short, you ideal wait for it to change. I'm not going short. I'm glad I didn't choose this level as my ultimate TP because I'm gonna be shitting if price we chase that much from the TP. I just like scalping, you know. Closing trade as long as I can rather than holding a runner. That's what I like. And I know some of you don't like that, and it's okay. That's your trading approach, right? All we have to do is make money. If we make money, then no matter what approach we're using, it's okay. We still got last one. I want to wait for prize to hit this level to start the last one, the last giveaway, but NQ don't want to go to that level. Do you live stream every London session? Nope, not everyone. I'm gonna live stream also on Thursday this week inside the lab, and then Friday this week on YouTube. Then there's no last one giveaway for that because prize didn't go to this level. So only ES closed the gap. Wow. You know, if someone want to hold the trade to here and saw the price, we chase like, I don't know, 50, 40 points from the TP. It's gonna be shit. I just love scalping. That's why. That's why I love scalping. You know. I reduced the ads frequency today. Is it better? Because like last time someone said that's too many ads, right? I'm not so sure how to adjust everything, but I think I reduced the frequency. So it won't show up very often. And if you're using like computer or laptop, you can use the Chrome extension app block. So when you're watching YouTube, you turn on the app block, the ads won't appear. And also, if you're a YouTube Premium user, there's not gonna be any ad appear. I put levels on yes chart on my screen, not on this one, because this yes chart is I just want to put it here to see if we get SMT. So I don't want to put too many things here. But on my screen, I got everything on the yes chart. This giveaway is not advanced account. Sadly, it's a gold account. I personally use advanced, but like advanced is intraday challenge drawdown, so not everyone gonna like that. But gold account is end of day drawdown with a day loss limit. Is the last giveaway gonna happen? Yes, I want to see if price gonna swift this LLL or go back to the level we want. You just want to know if you're going to pay anything. Well, first you're gonna win that account, okay? For gold account, as I know, you don't have to pay activation fee. Advanced account, you have to pay activation fee. So since we are giveaway Gove account, you don't have to pay anything. But if you want to reset the account, you need to pay for yourself. If the price falls, slow giveaway. No. I'm gonna do it anyways. So stay tuned. You can go to P. You can go to P. I'm not gonna do it in a minute. Yes, Tradeify website is in maintenance right now, so probably wait until new session start. It's gonna be okay. Do you drink while chatting? Is that the inspiration behind the YouTube name? Yes, I did. I know. I'm not encouraging anyone to do that, but I think I can handle that amount of drink. I'm not drunk, so I think I'm okay with that. Thanks for giving the time to pee. Do you shape better tipsy or sober? That's a good question. That's a good question. It depends. I would say it depends. I usually be tipsy when I'm trading your session because it's nighttime in my local time. So of course I'm drinking. Streaming on YouTube for NYM? Nope. So I think it's time to start, right? Those who are in the toilet, it's time to come out. So we got 224 participants in this giveaway. And if you're not in the list, type Tradeify in the chat so you can join the giveaway. We start now. The last one. Tony, yes. Tony, yes, congratulations for our last winner of this giveaway. Please type something in chat to claim the prize. For those who didn't win this giveaway, don't be disappointed. We got a lot giveaway coming in the future. So subscribe this channel and turn on the notification. You won't miss the other giveaway. Tony, yes, are you here? He's not here. You get 30 seconds left. Well, if he's not here, he didn't claim the prize, I'm gonna choose another one. Seriously? We get someone like that every time. That people who win didn't claim the prize. Tony Chan is not you, it's Tony yes. 10 seconds left. Oh, he didn't claim the prize. Sorry, Tony. I feel sorry for you. We're gonna choose another one, so We're gonna choose another one because it's not here, right? And price didn't do anything while we were away. Nothing happened. If he come back and see these things, he's gonna be mad. Tony fall asleep. I'll choose another one. After 30 seconds, I'm gonna choose another one. Someone kick him out. I didn't kick anyone out. It's quite funny though. Oh, if I were him, I rather don't know about the fact that I won the giveaway, but I didn't claim the prize. I would rather think I didn't get chosen. We should thank him, right? He offered another chance for all of you, for all the chat. I think some of them leave the stream. That's why they didn't claim the prize. He sacrificed himself for another chance in chat. Yes. His greatness. All right, I'm gonna do the last giveaway. So don't go to pee. Don't go to pee right now. Okay, I'm back. Ooh. Tony just hit TP. He doesn't care. So we got more participants now. And free reset. Congratulations. That's a nice name. So I saw Tony Yes come back. Sadly, you missed the chance, but we'll got more giveaway coming future. What a link. And for those who win the giveaway, that's how to claim the prize. So I think we got a pretty good stream today. Well, we got what we want. The Che, the win, we got it. You know, the giveaway, we got it. The like, we got it. Just this is the last thing we want, but we didn't get it. The level price closed the whole gap. Only appear on ES, but didn't close the whole gap in NQ, but I think we're gonna close it above 10 minutes. So that's great. I think everything's good today. But this LRL the concern, so price may retrace back to hit this liquidity. Thank you, chat. We got a great day today. Also a great stream. I know some of you may be disappointed about the giveaway, but no problem. You stay with me, you'll win another. So I'm gonna stream on Thursday inside the lab and also Friday on YouTube. So if you're not the lab member, come back on Friday. If you're the lab member, come back on Thursday. Thank you, chat. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel so you won't miss another stream. And one more thing, I just set up a trading Instagram. Yeah, after a long time, I finally set up. I'm gonna post other content, just something diverse, something different from Twitter. So if you want to watch more content from me, get a follow on my Instagram account. I will see you later this week. Thank you, chat.